The Oakley sunglasses come in this black box, and these are the special edition Patrick Mahomes Sutro Lites. Inside the box, you get a note from the manufacturer. Now, this is one of the few styles that Oakley actually provides a hard case with. Their sunglasses usually only come accompanied by the microfiber cloth bag. Speaking of which, along with the hard case, you also get a special edition microfiber cloth bag. When I first saw the press photo for these sunglasses, they actually read a little bit more burgundy in color. But now seeing them in person, they actually read more of a crimson red color, which I actually really like. So unlike the original Sutros, these are semi-rimless, but they still hold true to the sporty shield's shape. They even included his stats on the top of the sunglasses. The temple shape is the same as the original Sutros. These sunglasses feature a prism black lens, which is really ideal for any sort of bright light conditions or if you have very sensitive eyes to the sun. These glasses also have a nose pad made out of silicone, which is great because when you sweat, it actually grips to your face. So these didn't come with any sort of measurements. Even on the website, it just says a standard fit. So I had to measure these guys myself. So the front from temple to temple roughly measured about a little less than 6 inches. And the temple length was roughly 5.5 inches.